Welcome everybody to the presentation of the Practical Guide Remote Workshops with Lego Serious Play. Some of you might know me, and for those who don't, my name is Matthias Renner. I'm a coach, I'm a facilitator, and I'm a mediator. And I love to work with the method Lego Serious Play. And why is that? Well, because I do believe that each and every one of us needs to be heard and to be really understood. And I think this is the basis of self-efficacy, where this starts and where creativity starts. And with these two, you have the basis to develop new ideas and to develop creative solutions, which really last. We tried to figure out how to work with Lego Serious Play online. So we've been 6 colleagues, was Letizia as a facilitator and 5 of us. And we had a combination of the bricks, of course, of Mural and of Zoom. And to anticipate the result, it was not very promising. Again, was I disappointed? A bit, of course. But for those who know me, you know this was just the tip of the iceberg. There should be a way to do Lego Serious Play online. I don't know how it works, but it should be possible. So I sat down and I tried it out, and I discussed a lot with friends and with colleagues. And after close to 40 remote workshops of different sizes, what I can say is it worked. And what you see here is a workshop, and we've been working on strategy with a small group about trends, about challenges of a holding, or what it means to the companies within the holding. And I really worked a lot about how to best prepare these workshops. And I sat down together with Michel Cloosterman, and we discussed a lot about it as well. And then we decided, hey, let's just put our thoughts together into this little booklet. So the preparation here in Lego Serious Play online workshops, this is really what makes a difference. And what you will find there is, of course, a few words about the application techniques. And of course, once the workshop started, things are different than in a real workshop. So it's about this as well, about the role of you as a facilitator, the online Lego Serious Play etiquette, and of course, how to keep the energy high during the workshop. But this is not all. So there is even more. One last thing, like Steve Jobs said. So I put together a coaching package for remote workshops. So if you're interested into these workshops, have a look at the Practrical website, and there is this new facilitator submenu where you can have a look at it, where you can find the description. So if we are not connected yet, write me an email, invite me on LinkedIn, or just give me a call. Thank you.